How Tesla captured the electric car market. Whenever there's a conversation about electric cars, one name always rises above all the others: Tesla. Starting in 2003, Tesla has grown to become the biggest electric car manufacturer in the world, capturing more than 60% market capitalization of the EV market. The question is, how Tesla captured a competitive market like the electric car market. Tesla Incorporated is an American manufacturer of electric automobiles, solar panels, and batteries for cars and home power storage, and is based in Palo Alto, California. As the first to market, Tesla was effectively the only company building battery electric cars when fuel prices spiked in the summer of 2008. Since then, the company has evolved into a manufacturer of green energy-related products, like solar roof panels and energy storage systems, in addition to cars. Current vehicles in their lineup include the Model 3 compact sedan, the Model S mid-size luxury sedan, the Model X luxury SUV, and the Model Y compact SUV. The company has also started manufacturing the Roadster, which cost around $100,000 when it was released. One of the cars in the pipeline waiting to be released is the Cybertruck, unveiled in November of 2019, and is expected to be available in mid-2023. But before we get into the details, it is important that we get some context about the background of Tesla. Most people think Tesla was founded by its current chief executive officer, Elon Musk, which is not true. Tesla Motors was founded in 2003 by two Silicon Valley engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning. Their main mission was to prove that electric vehicles can be better, quicker, and more fun to drive than gasoline-powered cars. Tarpenning and Eberhard's relationship dates back to 1990, when they met at Wise Technology as engineers. They both had much in common, and one of such common interests was the drive to start their own companies. They then founded several companies. One of them was Nouveau Media, which released the Rocket ebook in 1998. After a divorce, Eberhard decided to buy a sports car. That was where his passion for cars started. He then considered entering the electric car industry after investing in a boutique electric automaker named AC Propulsion. In 2001, Elon Musk went to Stanford University to speak at a Mars Society talk. That was where Eberhard and Tarpenning met him. At that time, Elon Musk had a portfolio of successful companies. The most popular among them was PayPal, which he co-founded with Peter Thiel and Max Levchin in 1998, and later sold to eBay in 2002. Musk accumulated $165 million in stocks from the sale of the company. Shortly after that, he launched SpaceX, which manufactures, designs, and launches advanced rockets and spacecraft. Officially, Tesla was incorporated in 2003, with the co-founders being Eberhard, Tarpenning, J.B. Straubel, and Ian Wright. The company was named after the Serbian-American inventor and engineer Nikola Tesla. Unlike the other co-founders, Ian Wright left Tesla in 2004 and later founded the electric vehicle powertrain company Wrightspeed. In 2004, the co-founders went through initial rounds of investment with VCs. The round was led by Elon Musk, who invested more than $30 million and later joined as the head of the board of directors. The initial funding round included friends, family, venture capitalists, and Valor Equity Partners. Between 2004 and 2008, Tesla grew and developed its first automobile, the Roadster. We will talk more about the Roadster later in the video. But within the same period, the company opened its 5.3 million square foot manufacturing plant in Fremont, California. The factory was owned by two of the biggest automobile companies, General Motors and Toyota. The name of the factory is NUMMI, and it has two paint facilities and 1.5 miles of assembly line. In 2008, Tesla Motors released its first car, the completely electric Roadster. From the company tests, the car achieved 245 miles on a single charge, a big achievement for an electric vehicle in 2008. Additional tests also revealed that the Roadster's performance was not significantly different from other gasoline-powered sports cars, and that they can be compared. The Roadster could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles in less than 4 seconds and could reach a top speed of 125 miles per hour. Due to the company's main mission, the Roadster did not have an internal combustion engine, and as a result, did not produce any tailpipe emissions. Lithium-ion cells power the electric motor of the Roadster, the ones often used in laptop batteries. making it easy for users to recharge their batteries. The price tag for the Roadster was $109,000, making it a luxury vehicle. In late 2007, Eberhard resigned as the company's CEO and technology president to join the advisory board. In 2008, it was announced that he had left the company, but he remained a shareholder. That same year, Tarpenning left the company, even though he was the vice president of electrical engineering. Elon Musk took over as the CEO of the company. 2 years later, the company's IPO raised $226 million. Elon Musk has become the face of Tesla to the point that most people confuse him as the company's founder. Elon Musk was born in South Africa, but is a Canadian American. He trained to become an engineer. He holds a dual Bachelor of Science degree in Physics and Economics from the University of Pennsylvania. In 1995, he enrolled in the Physics PhD program at Stanford University, but dropped out to focus on his business efforts in outer space and renewable energy. Shortly after dropping out, he launched several companies, including Zip2. From the sale of Zip2, he started X.com, which Confinity also acquired. Musk is also one of the PayPal mafias, a group of PayPal employees and shareholders who later started other successful businesses. After Musk assumed the role of chief executive officer and product architect, Tesla has seen several changes and improvements. In 2012, the company decided to stop producing the Roadster and shifted its attention to the Model S sedan. The Model S came in 3 different battery options, each with different ranges and performances. The highest performance battery among them gave an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4 seconds and a top speed of 130 miles per hour. The Model S carried the battery underneath, unlike the Roadster, which carried more storage space in the back. Later in 2014, the autopilot feature was made available on the Model S. Beginning that year, Tesla started building their supercharger stations in the United States and Europe to serve as a charging point for Tesla owners at no extra cost. The newer station versions could completely replace the Model S's battery pack. In 2015, Tesla released the Model X with the features of a sport utility vehicle. The maximum battery range was about 340 miles, with a seating capacity for up to 7 passengers. Tesla began building large factories, gigafactories, to produce batteries and vehicles. The first of them was opened in Reno, Nevada in 2016. Other factories were opened in Buffalo, New York, Shanghai, China, and many other places. Due to the high demand for a more inexpensive vehicle, the Model 3 was developed, and production started in 2017. The Model 3 is a 4-door sedan with a range of up to 353 miles and a price tag of $35,000. The Model 3 became the best-selling model and the best-selling electric car of all time, surpassing the Nissan Leaf. In 2015, a line of batteries to store electric power from solar energy was unveiled. In 2016, the company bought Solar City and offered rooftop solar panels. They also offered a solar roof with energy-generating tiles and a large battery called the Powerwall to store the power generated for use when the sun was not shining, or as a backup in case of a power outage. In 2017, the company's name was changed from Tesla Motors to Tesla Inc. to show that they no longer sell just cars. In 2020, the Tesla Model Y was released. This model was smaller and less expensive than the Model X and shared many of the same parts as the Model 3. The sales of the Model Y became comparable to the Model 3, and Musk expressed confidence that it would become Tesla's best-selling model. Tesla announced several other lineups, including a second version of the Roadster, a semi-trailer truck, and a pickup truck, the Cybertruck, which has a boxy, angular design that excited controversy when it was first unveiled. The strategy Tesla has been using over the years is the ability to move with changing times. They focus on launching new offerings that target a wider range of consumers. Even though the EV market is competitive, Tesla has always come on top. In December 2014, Morgan Stanley's auto analyst, Adam Jonas, predicted that the company would fall short by 40% of its goal to produce 500,000 cars by 2020. However, Tesla produced more than 510,000 cars by the end of 2020, exceeding its goal by 20%. It is therefore not surprising that Tesla has become a leader in the electric car market and has a market capitalization of over $900 billion. As with any other company, there are no guarantees that the success will continue for long or be cut short. But from the performance of Tesla Inc. in the past years and the outlined plans for the coming years, it will be difficult for them to be cut out of the market. Did you enjoy this video? If you did, then like this video and subscribe to Future EV for more engaging content.